In the last video, we added coins and a scoring system to our platformer game. Before that, we worked on enemies, their movement, and collision logic. And earlier, we set up player mechanics, including movement, animations, and flipping left and right. In this video, we'll learn how to transition between levels. We'll set up a second level and implement the logic to switch between scenes. Let's get started. First, I have a door object here in my scene, which I'll place at the end of the level. The idea is that when the player reaches the door, they'll transition to the second level. To make this work, we need to rename our current scene to Level 1. Go to the Project Manager, right-click on the scene, and rename it to Level 1. Next, we'll add a new scene for the second level. Click on Add a Scene, name it Level 2, and open it. At this point, GDevelop might restart or stop working due to renaming the scene. This can happen sometimes, but don't worry. If it does, simply reopen GDevelop and load your project again. Renaming scenes closes the game, but reopening it resolves the issue. Now that we're back, let's go to Level 1 and set up the logic to transition to Level 2. In Level 1 events, add a new event. For the condition, choose Collision and set it so that when the player collides with the door, something happens. For the action, select Change the Scene and choose Level 2. With this, whenever the player reaches the door, they'll move to the second level. Now let's set up Level 2. In the new scene, add platforms, a player, and any background assets you want. You can either use the same assets from Level 1 or add new ones to make the level feel fresh and unique. After adding the platforms and background, assign behaviors to your platforms and the player. Platforms should have the platform behavior, and the player should have the platform character behavior. Also, make sure to center the camera on the player. In Level 2 events, add an action to center the camera on an object and select the player. This ensures that the camera follows the player as they move through the level. Once that's done, go back to Level 1 and test the game by clicking Preview. As the player reaches the door, they should transition seamlessly to the second level. You'll see the camera following the player and all the platforms and assets in Level 2 functioning as intended. This basic setup lets you transition between levels in your game. You can expand on this by adding more levels, unique challenges, and creative designs to make each level feel different. Thank you for following along with this platformer tutorial series. We've covered player movement, animations, enemies, coins, scoring, and now level transitions. This wraps up the series, but if you'd like me to cover anything else or add new features, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.